Here are 5 ways to make passive income with ChatGPT. If you're willing to put in the upfront work, you can live the rest of your life earning this passive income just from using ChatGPT. So the first way you can make passive income using ChatGPT is to create resume templates on Etsy. If you go into Etsy, you realize that people actually want to buy resume templates because sometimes, we are too lazy to craft our own resume or CV, and we gotta attend all those resume workshops and all that. Why not just use a template and everything is done for you? So you can see that on Etsy, the demand is pretty high. So what you need to do is just go to ChatGPT and then type in your command. Create a proper resume template. And then ChatGPT is going to write a proper template for you. So once you've gotten your resume template, then you need to design the resume, right? Make it nice and proper. You don't even need to have a designer. You can just go to Canva and then choose a resume template. And there are even free versions. You can just pick it, edit it a little bit to suit your own style. And then once you are done, then you can publish it on Etsy. But then there are so many resumes on Etsy, then how do you stand out? So what you can do is that you can go to the reviews of the top selling resume templates and then see the feedbacks, the good and the bad. You want to look at the bad, so-called bad reviews to see what can you improve on. So note down all those areas of improvement and then you make a resume that caters to people's needs. And the second way to make passive income using ChatGPT is to go onto Amazon and write a fiction book, a storybook. Whether it's for children or for adults, you decide. Whichever you are passionate about, then you focus on that, okay? So let's say you want to write a children's storybook, fiction book, but you like finance a lot, you like stock market a lot. So how do you combine these two passions together? You go to ChatGPT, write me a storybook about a trader who came from the hood, who came from a village, worked hard and then became a stock market millionaire. And then ChatGPT is going to write a proper story for you. And if you don't like some of the plots, then you can edit it to suit your style. And you can see storybooks on Amazon. They sell really well. In fact, better than a lot of non-fiction books. I sell non-fiction on Amazon, earn me a couple $100 a month, but it's totally not enough to pay the mortgage. Then if you want to add pictures, you can either go to generate an AI picture, or if you are good in drawing, you can do your own illustrations. Make sure you edit the book because I don't want you to become another ChatGPT copy-paste author. You gotta make that book unique. And how do you make it unique? You gotta edit it to suit your own writing style. Because people can copy from ChatGPT, but they cannot copy you. So the third way you can make money using ChatGPT is sell inspirational quotes on Etsy. And again, you don't need any designing background. You can still go to Canva and then find a template that suits whatever that you are selling. You can be selling a poster, stickers with the motivational quote on it. And you might think, who is gonna buy motivational quotes? Like when everybody can just do it on Canva. A lot of times people want things done for them. Just one example on Etsy. This person is selling motivational quotes, okay? It even says quote template Canva. But still, do people buy? Of course, people still bought. You can see it's just very simple quotes. It's not like long paragraphs. You are made of magic and stardust. I am fearless. You get what you focus on. I'm so motivated now. Now make sure you sell something that you would buy. Don't just produce something for the money. And you would think that something like this wouldn't sell. Teamwork, integrity, kindness, excellence. Selling for 35 Singapore dollars. People still bought it. Like this poster, maybe I could probably find the image online too. I know for sure this one's online. You don't even need to spend money to print all this stuff because it's print on demand. The moment people order your stuff, then the company is going to print the sticker or the poster. So fourth way you can make money using ChatGPT is create an SEO optimized blog. So if your passion is customized keyboards, then you want to write a blog about it. You can go to ChatGPT and then write the command give me 10 SEO optimized article titles for the keyword customized keyboard. Then pick any idea that you like and then write another comment. Write me a 1000 word article based on target keyword customized keyboards. Make the article SEO optimized so that when people go to Google, search for customized keyboards, then your blog or article is going to rank in the first few pages. And then when your blog gets more and more popular, then you can start to promote customized keyboards using your affiliate link. And then you might even get sponsors, people giving you keyboards for free. Nobody has given me any free keyboards yet. So once you've written your article, then you need to copy paste it to Grammarly and then make sure you check for no plagiarism, because nowadays there are AI detectors. So next time if you copy paste everything, people can just check whether is it generated by a robot or written by a real human. So the fifth way you can make money with ChatGPT is to create an app. And depending on what type of app you want to make a gaming app, you want to make a calculator, you want to make Angry Bird, it's found that the top 200 apps available today are earning an average of 82,500 in revenues daily. So whatever app that you're trying to make, you can go to ChatGPT again and tell ChatGPT to write you the code for the app. Of course, with this skill, you need to know a little bit of coding, otherwise you wouldn't know what to edit, what to correct, what to keep, what to remove. And even simple apps like calculator, torchlight, stopwatch can get millions of downloads. And of course, there are many other ways to make money using ChatGPT. I'm gonna put that video here, so with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.